I told her she can't have her treats till she finishes her dinner. R.I.P.
Babe, go get...
Yo te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste?
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody. What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligator.
I know something you don't. I know something you will never know.
Y las voces de mi mente me dicen, mátalo. Это наш кузенька жирбесится. Повесится и баиньки пойдет.
Hey Coney, you ready for some makeup today? Some powder? Yes, okay. I'll powder the nose, okay. Is that good or you want more? Okay, okay. You all done? Jude being in my puzzle as a Merry Christmas to me.
Because he doesn't think he got any presents, but he does have a present under the tree.
I think that's one of the best.
You know he's being. Thanks, Jude. Yeah, you're gonna cover that up? That was gonna be my Christmas festivity.
Hey, Nicolás, tranquilo. No le pegues. No. Hey, tranquilo, be nice. Be nice. Vaya para allá. Be nice. No.
Что толку, я мою полы? Ну что толку? Сейчас только все вытерла опять крыльцо. Она домой пришла, все покрывала, все. Ой, блядь, хоть домой ее не загоняй. Ой, видали эту скотину такую? Вот зачем мне такая?
Spray.
Öbür iğnesini de yapalım.
Y yo te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? Cállate.
Sir, I'm in the middle of Zoom class. Don't give me attitude. I can't pay you right now. Okay? I have a lot of important things to do. All right? Wait, what? Where did you come from? Why? Oh my Billy, don't do it.
Wow, 他会挠背，天哪！